Well, yeah, we did it. The last lab furnace is leaving the shop. Dang it. It's been a long road. Geez. I built a lot of furnaces. Dang. Throughout the 12 years. I've been there 12 years. I've worked at this, it's come to an end. Dang it. I wanted to work some more on this. But here we go. I like that business. I really did. It's a good. I did a lot of things, man. We built it from the ground up. I did all the drawings for the frame and the chambers and everything they had to do with building this this furnace. It's quite a neat furnace. It uses IR, infrared light to make the heat. And believe it or not, these quartz lamps can get up to 1,000 degrees centigrade, 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's pretty hot, man. And we had the lock on it a long time ago, and then everybody started getting in the business, and now it's no more. We can't even sell any right now. So that's it. This is it. This is the last furnace. Maybe I'll get another opportunity. I don't know. But for now, I'm making videos. We're traveling north on the 5 freeway right here. And if you look to the left, you might be able to see the Matterhorn. Disneyland's Matterhorn. There it is. Yep. There it is again. Next stop, Ryder Truck Rental. Here we come. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to show you pictures of the furnace at different stages of the assembly and some of the processes that we did. Here we go. This is our LA306 frame. It's back from paint, and the covers are installed, the top and bottom covers. Here's the frame with the chambers installed and secured, and you can see the heating chamber on the right and the cooling chamber on the left. Here's the transport system. It has a DC motor, and it has a chain drive, and it controls the conveyor belt, the stainless steel conveyor belt that's on there. Here's the chambers with the insulation exposed, and the holes there on that chamber, that's where the lights, the lamps go. The IR lamps go in each one of those, and they're controlled. Here's another shot of the frame with the covers on top. Here's the frame back from paint with the control tops, control cabinet on top there. They've come back from paint, and here we are adjusting the PLC and testing the unit right there. And there's some LA306 is on the other side. Here's a shot of the chamber, and there's the cooling chamber. It has fins, aluminum fins inside and out, and the fans are mounted on the top and bottom to cool the whole chamber. And there we have the transport system again with the belt installed, and that's the entrance. And here's another shot of the bare bones system there, and no wiring in it. Here's a picture of the chamber again, those have the insulation have to be drilled out. Um, Here's our whole shop with in our heyday when we were fixing 4 or 5 at a time, and they're all ready to be going. Here's some transport system before I put the rollers in. It has flange bearings and then a pulley, a little spring system. Here's one of our assembly drawings with the assembly tolerances on it, and it has a lot of different parts, and see how they mate together. And so we just made these up. Here's another shot of the bearings for the rollers and sprockets. Here's the sprocket alignment from the motor right there. And here's a shot of wiring the one of our furnaces, and has the belt installed, and it has the flow meters in there. Here's another shot of it on. We're just testing this unit right here, and it has electrical on the bottom and on the top in the chamber. Here's some fans installed on our cooling system. See these the tubings on the left-hand side. I had to install all those. Those are air fittings, or gas fittings with and nitrogen goes through. Here's a finished product with the covers on and everything, and they look pretty good when they're finished. They got control panel on the top, and it's in stainless steel covers on the end. There's the control panel right there. On the right is the flow meters for every zone. Here we are wiring one of our furnaces. The guy is right in the middle of wiring all that, and there's the tubing right there for my gas lines. And here's another shot of the extended exit extended exit on that. Here's some lineup of the new and the old. The new style is on the right, and the old style is on the left. Here's one of our control panels. It has the PLC on the right, and transformers on the left right there. There's one of our old style with electrical. It has all run by all relays. We used all relays instead of a PLC. Here's we're testing. We're going to test the air system for nitrogen to go in and be fed throughout the furnace through all the flow meters. And here we are. The PLC is installed in this one, and it's on the right-hand side right there. And then right by there is the little green panel. There is the motor control. Here's a SCR, and here's a picture of the tubing for the gas lines. Here's another shot of the control panel, another shot of the control panel from the back side, and here's another shot of the old long extension on the end there. Here we are feeding through product into a finish, and this one here is 700 degrees centigrade. We have them all set to, and it's testing for 700 degree centigrade run. And here's the finished product for that long extension one. And here's the lamps are installed on in these chambers right here. If you can see the lamps that are installed in this, and has insulators on the top. Here's one of our longest ones we did. And here's another one that was sent to Malaysia. It's one of the most extensively built ones. We had a lot of stuff in this one, and it was sent to Malaysia. And that's when it's finished right there. It looks pretty good with the computer controller. Here's the cooling system with the fans on it. Oh, and now we're at the end. We're saying goodbye to the furnace. Oh my gosh, goodbye furnace. We're sending you out, and we're not going to be working on you anymore. That's it for you. Goodbye. I'll see you next time I work on you when somebody needs some help with you. Well, that's about it. Now we're going to just drive out into the sunset. I don't know what I'm going to be doing for the next 5 years. Hopefully I'll be involved in some more furnaces. That's too bad though, because that was my livelihood for a long time. Here we go though, heading down the road. Gonna leave the furnace behind. Bye. I'll see you later. See you next time. Catch you later.